Hey there, and welcome to the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I'm Nicole, and around here, we believe productivity doesn't start with hustle, but it starts with joy and smart support. In each episode, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and AI in a simple, non-overwhelming way, so it actually saves you time, clears mental clutter, and makes running your life and business feel lighter. If you're a busy woman building big dreams and you want AI to feel like a helpful partner, not another thing to figure out, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Hey, and welcome back to the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I'm your host, Nicole Louise, and I'm here to teach you all about how to properly set up, and use ChatGPT, because it's more than just a Google search. All right, today I'm talking about step 2 in my 3-step framework, which is optimize. So last week I taught you how to organize. Now we're going to talk about optimizing your ChatGPT account. So what does that mean? So this step is really crucial for getting the best output from ChatGPT. And a lot of people skip this step because they just don't know about it, or they might know about it and they have no idea what to tell it. So there's 3 components to this. There's GPTs, tasks, and then training your model. So how do you train it? Well, ChatGPT is an LLM, which means it thrives on data and context. You've probably heard people talk about that. But what do you feed it exactly? How do you train it? What information does it need? Well, if you're stuck, I actually have a freebie for you. So stay tuned for the end. I'll tell you about it then. But in the meantime, you want to give it all the information you can about your business, or maybe you're working on your health and you want to give it information about that. You want to create meal plans. Well, give it tons of information about what you like and what you don't like. So when you properly train ChatGPT, it's going to give you way more relevant and much better output. The answers are going to make more sense. They're going to be tailored to you, and that's exactly what you want. So if in your business, for example, you want to create your amazing dream AI business partner, this is where my freebie comes in handy for you. So I have created the Create Your Dream AI Business Partner using ChatGPT. It's a free download, so you can get it by clicking the link below. If you're on Spotify or YouTube, click the link down below and you can get it right away. It is your easy peasy blueprint. It tells you exactly what you need to tell ChatGPT about your business so that you have your AI business partner up and running in less than a few hours. So go ahead, grab the link below. It's free, totally free. It's all yours. Gives you the starting point for what to do next with your ChatGPT. You want to optimize this, right? You've already done the organizing. Now we need to optimize. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I hope that you have an amazing week ahead. Go optimize your ChatGPT, grab that free download, and let me know what you think. All right, have a beautiful week ahead. Chat with you soon.